Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Last week, we learned about the different drinks. Let's review about drinks, okay? What is this? Iced tea. Yes. What is this? Lemonade. Yes, very good. What is this? Orange juice. Wait, what is this? Ginger tea. How about this one? Mango juice. Good. How about this? Soya milk. Okay. Now, let's review as well this question. What drinks do you like? So the answer is I like. Okay. Let's start. What drinks do you like? I like iced tea. What drinks do you like? I like lemonade. What drinks do you like? I like orange juice. Let's have more. What drinks do you like? I like ginger tea. What drinks do you like? I like mango juice. What drinks do you like? I like soya milk. Okay, that's great. I hope you get it. Today, we will learn about the question, do you like milk? To answer this question, just look at the picture and say if you like or not. Example, do you like milk? Okay, look at the picture. Do you like this one? Do you like to drink milk? So if you like it, then your answer should be, yes, I do. If you don't like, your answer is, no, I don't. Okay? Okay, let's try the following. Do you like iced tea? So you can answer either, yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you like lemonades? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you like orange juice? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Now, as we repeat it, I will ask question and then you answer. Okay, I will not answer anymore. Do you like iced tea? Great. Number 2, do you like lemonades? Amazing. Do you like orange juice? Excellent. Now let's have more questions. Do you like ginger tea? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you like mango juice? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you like soya milk? Yes, I do. No, I don't. So you only choose one, okay? Reminder, you need to choose one. Yes, I do. Okay, if you like to drink that shows in a picture. Okay? Okay, let's repeat this one. Do you like ginger tea? Okay, great. Do you like mango juice? Very good. Do you like soya milk? Excellent. So you get it, okay? Now, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Bye-bye.